Are you seeing the Plc4 module DLL error because of a library mismatch? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the error and prepared your fix. Don't let Plc4 module slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Plc4 module, part of the Netscape Portable Runtime (NSPR) suite. This library provides platform-independent services for network and file input-output. It is a mandatory dependency for older versions of Firefox, Thunderbird, and security clients using NSS. When missing, these applications cannot initialize their networking stack, leading to immediate startup crashes or XPCOM missing notifications. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The recommended fix is a reinstall of Mozilla. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to replace the file. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Plc4 module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Plc4 module DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Plc4 module and system efficiency. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Plc4 module. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.